Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix text notification sound not working on Infinix Note 60. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on notifications. If you want to fix this problem, so turn on notifications. After turn on notifications, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so restart device. Just click and hold side power button and click on this icon. Again tap on this restart icon. You will see your phone is restart. After restarting, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Scroll down and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on app management. After click on app management, click on app list. After click on app list, scroll down and search notification app from here. After search app data, for example, this is data app. Click on data app, click on force stop and click on clear cache. After clear cache data app, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so last option is software update. Click on settings app, click on my phone, and you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix text notification not working on Infinix Note 60. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.